Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you a great technique. Let me bring you up. This technique is called I call it the Saran wrap or the plastic wrap background. We're going to be making some background. So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using a piece of Whisper White. And you can use a whole sheet and cut it up, or you can use just the background sheet. And I am going to use some Call Me Clover. And again, I think this works better with a full pad, but since I carry around only these spots, what you're going to need is you're going to need a piece of plastic wrap, Saran wrap, whatever. And you're just going to ball it up just like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, just like using a sponge, you're going to ink it up. And you're going to put it on the Whisper White. And you can move it so it makes different background techniques. And this is a great one that you can do, that you can just make a bunch of these, fix them up into just cards, just put them on and don't put a saying on until you need to. Just put that on a card backing. Card base, and then you can put a saying on it later. You could put a die cut on it. You could even just use it as a background and stamp on it. And there, you have a nice little card base. Remember to follow me on YouTube. I would really appreciate it if you would purchase your Stampin' Up products from me. Everything you need to know is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.